today I'm going to show you how to make your own electrolyte drink in the Vibe blender. So I'm going to start with the strawberry flavor. Start with half a lemon, peeled and chopped and seeds removed. Then go in with 1 cup of coconut water, 1 cup of chopped strawberries, half a pineapple peeled and chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of good quality sea salt. For optional extra sweetness, add 1 teaspoon of honey. Finally, add half a cup of ice. Blend on smoothie mode for around 30 seconds and then pour into a glass and enjoy it right away, or store it in an airtight glass jar in the fridge for up to 3 days. For the kiwi flavor, go in with 1 cup of coconut water, half a lemon peeled, chopped and seeds removed, 3 kiwis peeled and chopped, half a pineapple peeled and chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of good quality sea salt, 1 teaspoon of honey for optional extra sweetness, and half a cup of ice. Blend again on smoothie mode for around 30 seconds.